Ever felt like your money was just sitting there? Not really working for you, just existing in a digital space? You're not alone. Millions of people are starting to question the traditional brick-and-mortar banking experience and are looking for something more. Something that offers better rates, fewer fees, and the convenience of managing everything from the comfort of their couch. That leads us to a crucial question: where can you actually open an Ally Bank account? Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's take a step back and understand why this question is so relevant in today's financial landscape. For years, the big banks held a certain sway. They had the physical branches, the familiar logos, and the ingrained trust that came with decades of presence. But the internet has changed everything, hasn't it? It's democratized access to information and, more importantly, to financial services. Suddenly, you're not limited by the bank down the street. You have a world of options at your fingertips, and online banks like Ally have emerged as serious contenders, offering compelling alternatives to the traditional model. They often boast higher interest rates on savings accounts, lower fees on everyday transactions, and a user-friendly digital experience. This shift has empowered consumers to seek out financial institutions that truly align with their needs and goals. So, you're intrigued by Ally Bank, and you want to know how to become a customer. You've likely heard about their competitive rates or their commitment to no monthly maintenance fees on many of their accounts. You're probably wondering if the process is complicated, if there are any hidden catches, or if you even qualify. Well, the good news is that opening an Ally Bank account is generally a straightforward process, designed with convenience in mind. And the answer to our initial question, where can you open an Ally Bank account, is primarily online. That's the core of Ally's business model, a direct-to-consumer approach that leverages the power of the internet to deliver its services efficiently. They don't have the overhead of maintaining a vast network of physical branches, and those cost savings are often passed on to you, the customer, in the form of better rates and lower fees. So, to be precise, you can open an Ally Bank account through their official website, ally.com. Let's break down the process step by step so you know exactly what to expect. Step 1. Visiting the Ally Bank website. Your journey begins by navigating to ally.com using your computer, tablet, or smartphone. The website is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, guiding you through the account opening process. Step 2. Choosing your account type. Once you're on the Ally Bank website, you'll be presented with the various account options they offer. These typically include Online Savings Account, known for its competitive annual percentage yield, APY. This is a popular choice for those looking to grow their savings. High-Yield Checking Account, offering interest on your checking balance and often featuring no monthly maintenance fees. This account combines the convenience of checking with the potential for earning. Money Market Account. This account typically offers a higher interest rate than a traditional savings account while still providing relatively easy access to your funds. Certificates of Deposit, CDs. These are fixed-term investments with a fixed interest rate, offering predictable returns for a specific period. Investment Accounts. Through Ally Invest, you can open brokerage accounts, Roth IRAs, traditional IRAs, and more, allowing you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. Home Loans. Ally also offers mortgage and refinancing options. Auto Loans. You can explore financing options for new or used vehicles through Ally. For the purpose of this video, we'll primarily focus on opening a deposit account, such as a savings or checking account. However, the general principles of online application apply to most of their offerings. You'll want to carefully review the features and benefits of each account type to determine which best suits your financial needs and goals. Pay attention to interest rates, fees, or the lack thereof, minimum balance requirements, if any, and how easily you can access your funds. Step 3. Starting the application process. Once you've chosen the account you want to open, you'll typically click on a button like Open Account, Apply Now, or something similar. This will take you to the online application form. Step 4. Providing your personal information. This is where you'll need to provide some essential details about yourself. This typically includes your full legal name. Make sure this matches the name on your government-issued identification. Your date of birth. This is used for verification purposes. Your Social Security number, SSN, or Taxpayer Identification Number, TIN. This is required for tax reporting purposes. Your current residential address. This is important for account statements and other official correspondence. Your contact information. This will include your phone number and email address. Ally Bank takes your security seriously, so rest assured that the information you provide is protected through encryption and other security measures. Step 5. Funding your account. After providing your personal information, you'll typically be asked how you want to fund your new account. Ally Bank usually offers several options, such as electronic transfer from an existing bank account. You'll need your bank's routing number and your account number. This is a convenient and common method. Mailing a check. Ally will provide instructions on where to mail the check. This method will take longer for the funds to become available. Wire transfer. This is usually used for larger initial deposits. You'll need to decide on the funding method that works best for you and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Keep in mind that some accounts may have a minimum initial deposit requirement. Step 6. Reviewing and submitting your application. Before you finalize your application, you'll have the opportunity to review all the information you've provided. It's crucial to double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any delays or complications. Once you're confident that all the information is correct, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions of the account. Make sure you read these carefully before submitting your application. Finally, you'll click the Submit button to send your application to Ally Bank for review. Step 7. Account verification. In some cases, Ally Bank may need to verify your identity further. This could involve electronic verification. They may use third-party services to confirm your information. Requesting additional documentation. In rare cases, they might ask you to provide a copy of your driver's license, passport, or other identification documents. Ally will typically communicate any verification requirements to you via email or through their online portal. Step 8. Account approval and access. Once your application is approved and your initial deposit has been processed, your Ally Bank account will be opened. You'll typically receive confirmation via email, along with instructions on how to access your account online. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.